Ensure a tight and leak-free connection with the Walker exhaust spring bolt kit. This premium kit is specifically designed to support undercar exhaust components, keeping them securely in place. Manufactured from high-quality materials, the spring is engineered to provide the right compression strength for consistent performance and durability, making it the ideal choice for a reliable and long-lasting exhaust repair. The kit is designed for use with ball and socket joints, ensuring the perfect fit and function for your exhaust system. By using Walker accessories alongside Walker catalytic converters and mufflers, you can achieve a complete exhaust system upgrade that provides better overall performance. Whether you're performing a minor repair or a complete overhaul, this kit helps complete your exhaust system with ease and efficiency. A top review from the United States notes, the bolts work. They are of acceptable quality and much cheaper on Amazon than a local parts store. So, whether you're replacing a catalytic converter or a muffler pipe, Walker's high-quality hardware ensures a seamless, secure installation. Click the link in the description to purchase this essential kit and take your exhaust system to the next level. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on more product recommendations and reviews.